The wringer is shaped so it'll only sit on the bucket one way at the rear, away from the spout. Ensure the handle is to the front of the bucket. Select the relevant colour-coded wringer and place it onto the frame. Push down until it clicks firmly. Then place the wringer frame onto the bucket and click into place. The mop pad is attached to the frame by the 4 press studs. The mop head is screwed anti-clockwise onto the mop handle until it's tight. Cut off the colour-coded tags, leaving the desired colour in place. Here we've left the blue tag in place. Place the handle and mop on the floor and lock the handle by rotating it anti-clockwise. Standing up straight, extend the handle so it's correct for you. It should come between your chin and nose. Lock the handle by rotating it in a clockwise direction. To brake the frame, press the foot pedal and lift upwards. To use, fill the bucket with a maximum of 5 litres of warm water. Rinse the mop in the bucket, lift the mop frame and insert it into the mop wringer. Press the mop frame down into the wringer until all the water is released. Remove the mop from the wringer and place it flat on the floor until the mop frame clicks, which means it's closed and ready for use. Ventilate the area and position the warning signs. Use it in an area of 25 square metres, that's approximately 5 paces by 5 paces. Start to mop the floor, cleaning the edges first. After cleaning the edges, fill in using a systematic figure of 8 pattern. When the pad is soiled, brake the frame by pressing down with your foot on the dark button and lifting the handle upwards. Rinse the mop in the solution, agitating slightly to remove loose dirt and debris. UltraSpeed Mini can also be used to clean stairs and skirting boards. Walls can also be cleaned using a figure of 8 motion from top to bottom. After use, agitate soiled mops in clean, warm water and detergent. Put the mop pad and frame in the wringer, wring out excess solution, remove the mop pad from the frame and rinse the mop pad thoroughly under running water to remove trap dirt and particles. Wring out excess water and unfold to air dry, but do not place mop pads on warm pipes to dry. After emptying, clean the bucket and wringer and leave both to air dry.